Welcome back to my YouTube channel from your favorite beauty influencer, Tessa Culture. And please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and all those good stuff. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing something really weird and crazy. I don't know if anybody has actually thought about it, but like the title says, I'm going to be using soap as my makeup base. As chemists, like a chemistry student, we are exposed to chemicals and all those kind of stuff, and we try out different things, we practicalize. Basically, the end product of this is to see if it is actually sustainable. But what brought my notice to the whole idea of soap as a makeup base is that I found out that their soap actually helps like mattifies your brows when you do your brows, if you know the ongoing trend for soap brows. So I just thought about it. Okay, if there's soap brows, why can't there be soap base? Yes guys, don't get me wrong, I know soap actually like washes them and everything, but there are some tips, tricks that we can actually do. So follow me through in this tutorial. So without further ado guys, let's get started. For this purpose, you have to be using a mild soap for this purpose, and all you have to do is to make sure that it's wet. You can just use anything to like wet it. I'm going to be using my perfume to like wet it just right there on that spot, and you just go in with a tiny little like scrub and apply this over your brows. You want to start with your brows first and let it dry down. If you notice what I'm doing, I'm not applying too much pressure, and I'm not applying so much of the product all over my face. So the whole idea is to just use a little, like, I'm not saying go and make a latter all over your face, no, just tiny little scrubs on areas where you know that okay, you are going to actually like crease. Just apply it over those areas and just blend it into your skin like seamlessly dry down. Can you see guys what I'm doing? I'm just using my hand to like smoothing everything all out. So you need to blend out to the point where you're not going to be seeing any white residues. Okay, so let it dry for like 30 seconds. I'm going to be going in with my foundation, and as you can see, I'm still using my foundation in NC50, and I'm just going to apply this generously over my face. I use this foundation most of the time because I just love the medium coverage it gives me. You can actually build up your coverage if you wish, but yeah, just work with what goes well with you. And I'm just going to blend that out using a foundation brush. Guys, I'm not crazy, but I hope this turns out right. I just hope. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Guys, it's not that bad. Like, can you guys see? Whoever think that foundation is going to blend on soap like so easily? I wouldn't have thought about it. Like, I wouldn't. Trust me. It's just the inquisitive me that is making me do this. So I'm seeing this as a challenge. I don't know guys, are you going to like try this, like try doing this? Like, are you going to try doing this, or am I alone in this? So I just challenge you to try it out and give me your feedback. Tag me on Instagram, soapy base by Tessa Culture, and let's see if this is gonna get like a movement. Like, fam, hey, I'm not mad on it about this. Like, the way it sticks to my face, like it adheres so easily. I just love it. Wait, let me get very close to the camera so you guys see what I'm talking about. Like, can you peep my skin? Guys, I'm not mad about this. I'm definitely not mad. I just love it. Like, can you see? Oh my god, I'm loving this. So the next thing I'm actually going to do is go in with my concealer from Glam Girls Cosmetics. I'm actually looking for it. I don't know, my things are kind of scattered. So I'm just going with concealer from Glam Girls, and yeah, and just blend out. So I'm not going to be talking, I'm going to be doing voiceover from this point. Going in with a medium light concealer, and I'm just using this to highlight and brighten under my eyes, and I'm just dragging it out in order to create the coverage that I want. So the bridge of my nose, forehead and cupid bone, yeah guys. And I'm just going to blend that out using a beauty sponge. You want to start from the outer edge of your concealer to the inner corner and just blend that out seamlessly. I'm going to be linking the previous video on how to highlight and contour shortly so that you watch it in depth, okay? Using the powder palette from Beauty, I'm just going to take my light shade and just set the areas of my face, and you know, to soak up all those excess oil and leaves it mattifying all day long. So I'm just doing a reverse contour to sharpen my contour, and I'm just going to also contour the bridge of my nose, the side of my nose, and just make sure it's as snatched as possible. And I'm dusting off the excess powder now onto the brows. You guys should watch this carefully and kindly leave your comments down below what you feel about it. Do you use pencils for your brows? Do you use brow gels? Or what do you use for your brows? Okay, sometimes it depends on my mood. I can use pencils, I can use brow gels. It just depends on my mood. So it was going out of focus at this point, but I didn't notice until after filming, so I just had to leave it that way. So for those who did not understand my previous brow video, this is an expert and I want you to watch it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learned something, a thing or two from this video. So please guys, leave your comments down below. It makes me know if I'm doing the right thing or not, and if you guys are enjoying my videos. Okay guys, oh my god, just look at our brows guys, look at it. So loves, I got an eyeliner hack for you guys. In case your eyeliner has gotten dry, just spray in any perfume you got in your house and see how pigmented that is. Try this hack guys, you're gonna thank me for it. I'm saving so many lives by dropping this hack here. There's so many hacks I want to drop, but that'll be in my next video. So try this one out and see that it works wonders, okay? And that's it guys, I hope you loved this video. My bronzer from Beauty by AD. I actually skipped that process because I feel I do a lot of that in my couple of videos. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments down below if you find this technique sustainable or not. What do you dislike about it? I would love to know every single thing, but I want you guys to try this out and give me your feedback. Okay, tag me on Instagram, soap based by Culture. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye guys.